Morning guys, welcome to Off-Road4Life. As you can see, we're back on the beach this morning. Absolutely beautiful day today guys. Have a look here. Beautiful this morning on the beach. I just noticed one shed this morning. Sun's about to rise. It's about 11 degrees this morning guys. Have a look. 27th of July 2021. Really beautiful on the beach this morning. So guys, I'm sure there's going to be some shed this morning, some quarantines. We're down in Isipingo beach this morning at Mackenzie, if you know where it is. Perfect day for fishing guys. So an opportunity for me to fish a little. So guys, look at this. Absolutely pretty this morning. So guys, that's the update for this morning. Beautiful day on the beach this morning. I'm pretty certain we're gonna get some sheds. So guys, take care. Wear your mask. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching guys. Keep well. Cheers.